In this video, we're taking an honest look at Odoo Accounting, the finance module within the larger Odoo ERP ecosystem, and while it offers powerful automation and tight integration with sales, inventory, and invoicing, it's important to know where it fits best. Odoo Accounting is strong when your business already uses, or plans to use, multiple Odoo modules, because data flows smoothly across the system, keeping invoices, payments, and ledgers synced without extra manual work. The interface is fairly intuitive for an ERP tool, and features like multi-currency support, double-entry accounting, expense tracking, and recurring billing make it suitable for growing businesses with more complex needs. However, the learning curve can be steep for users new to ERP-style workflows, and deeper customization often requires technical help or paid consultants. Costs can rise as you add more modules or users, and support quality varies depending on whether you host Odoo yourself or work with a partner. Overall, Odoo Accounting is a strong choice for small to mid-sized businesses building a unified system across operations, but may feel too heavy for freelancers or those wanting a simple, plug-and-play accounting solution. Stick around and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.